10 hidden car secrets no one ever tells you. Intro: your car is hiding secrets right now that manufacturers don't advertise, tricks that could save your life, save you money, and make you wonder why nobody ever told you about them. I'm talking about features that are already built into your vehicle, sitting there unused. Emergency tools you didn't know existed. Warning signs your car is sending you every single day that you're completely ignoring. And here's the crazy part: some of these secrets were designed to save lives, but car companies barely mention them. Others, they could prevent you from getting ripped off at the dealership. Today, we're uncovering 10 hidden car secrets that'll completely change the way you drive. And stick around, because secret number 10 could literally save you thousands of dollars. I'm not exaggerating. So let's stop leaving money on the table and start using your car the way it was actually meant to be used. Let's get into it. Number 1, the gas tank arrow. Alright, let's start with something that'll blow your mind. Look at your fuel gauge right now. See that little arrow next to the gas pump icon? That tiny arrow you've probably never paid attention to. That arrow tells you which side of your car the gas tank is on. If it points left, your tank is on the left. If it points right, it's on the right. Now I know what you're thinking: I already know which side my tank is on. But this is a lifesaver when you're driving a rental car, borrowing someone else's vehicle, or you just bought a new car. No more pulling up to the pump on the wrong side and doing that awkward shuffle. This feature has been standard in cars since the 2000s, and somehow, most people still don't know about it. Car manufacturers added this because people kept forgetting, especially in rental situations. Simple but genius. Number 2, headrest safety feature. Here's a secret that could literally save your life in an emergency. Your car's headrests aren't just for comfort. They're actually designed to be used as a window-breaking tool if you're ever trapped in your vehicle. Pull the headrest up and out of the seat. See those two metal prongs? Those are solid steel. If your car ends up submerged in water, or you're trapped after an accident and you need to break a window, you wedge one of those metal prongs into the gap where the window meets the door and you lever it. The window will shatter. The best place to hit is the corner of the window, not the center. The corners are the weakest point. This works because car windows are made of tempered glass that's designed to shatter into small pieces when hit at the right angle. I really hope you never need this information, but knowing it could be the difference between life and death in an emergency situation. Number 3, dimming rearview mirror. This one's going to make you feel like you've been living under a rock. That tab at the bottom of your rearview mirror, it's not just there for decoration. If you've ever been driving at night and had someone behind you with their high beams on, blinding you through your rearview mirror, just flip that tab. It tilts the mirror slightly and activates a reflective layer that dims the headlights behind you without making it impossible to see. This is called a day/night or prismatic rearview mirror, and it's been in cars since the 1930s. The crazy part, most people never use it because they don't know what it does. Newer cars have auto-dimming mirrors that do this electronically, but if you've got that manual tab, use it. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll actually be able to see the road instead of being blinded by the truck behind you. Number 4, hidden trunk release. Here's something a bit darker but absolutely crucial. Almost every car manufactured after 2002 in the United States has a glow-in-the-dark trunk release handle inside the trunk. This was mandated by law after tragic cases where children got trapped in car trunks while playing hide and seek, or in the worst cases, kidnapping situations. If you or anyone is ever trapped in a trunk, there's a handle. Usually it's a bright yellow or green T-shaped pull handle that glows in the dark. You pull it, and the trunk opens from the inside. Take a minute this week to open your trunk and find it. Show your kids where it is. It's usually located near the trunk latch, and it's designed to be easy to locate even in complete darkness. This is one of those features I pray you never need, but every person should know it exists. It saved lives, and that's not an exaggeration. Number 5, fast blinking turn signal. When you indicate to turn, have you ever noticed your turn signal arrows flashing faster than normal on your dashboard? If your turn signal is blinking rapidly, we're talking double speed, that's your car telling you that one of your turn signal bulbs is out. It's called hyper-flashing. The electrical circuit in your car is designed for a certain amount of resistance. When a bulb burns out, the resistance drops, causing the remaining bulb to blink faster. It's basically your car's way of saying, hey, get that bulb replaced. This is important because driving with a broken turn signal isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous, and in most states, you can get pulled over and ticketed for it. So if you notice that rapid blinking, it's time to check your bulbs or get to a mechanic. Most people think their turn signal is just acting weird. Nope, it's trying to communicate with you. Number 6. Secret storage compartments. Did you know your car probably has hidden storage compartments you've never discovered? I'm not talking about the glove box or the center console. I'm talking about secret spots car designers built in that most owners never find. Check under your trunk floor, there's almost always a spare tire well. But sometimes there are additional compartments around it perfect for storing valuables, emergency supplies, or things you don't want visible. Many SUVs and minivans have hidden compartments in the rear quarter panels or under the rear seats. Some trucks have hidden storage behind the back seats or in the side panels. And here's a cool one: some car models have a hidden umbrella holder built into the door panel. Rolls-Royce made this famous, but brands like Skoda and even some Volkswagen models have them too. Start exploring your car. You might find storage space you never knew existed. Number 7. Cruise Control Fuel Saver. Here's a money-saving secret. Using cruise control on the highway doesn't just make your drive more comfortable, it can actually save you a significant amount on gas. Here's why: when you're manually controlling your speed, you're constantly making tiny adjustments. You press the gas a bit, coast a bit, press again. These micro-accelerations burn extra fuel. Cruise control maintains a perfectly steady speed, which is the most fuel-efficient way to drive. Studies have shown that using cruise control can improve your fuel economy by up to 14% on highway driving. That could save you hundreds of dollars a year depending on how much you drive. But here's the catch: this only works on relatively flat highways. If you're driving in hilly or mountainous terrain, cruise control can actually waste fuel because it'll accelerate hard to maintain speed going uphill. On that long flat interstate drive, turn it on and let your car sip fuel efficiently. Number 8. Spare tire expiration pop quiz. When was the last time you checked your spare tire? If you're like most people, the answer is never. Here's the secret: your spare tire has an expiration date. Even if you've never used it, even if it looks perfectly fine, rubber degrades over time. Most spare tires are only good for about 6–10 years, even when they're just sitting in your trunk unused. After that, they can be unsafe. And here's what really gets me: a lot of newer cars don't even come with a spare tire anymore. They come with a tire repair kit, which is basically a can of Fix-A-Flat and a small air compressor. This saves manufacturers money, but leaves you stranded if you get a serious puncture or sidewall damage. That little repair kit won't help you then. Check if you actually have a spare, check the manufacturer date stamped on it, and consider what your plan is if you get a flat. Don't wait until you're stuck on the side of the road to figure this out. Number 9. Door edge guards. Have you ever noticed those little notches or grooves on the edge of your car door? Most people think they're just design elements, but they actually serve a purpose. These are called door edge guards, and they're designed to prevent damage to other cars when you open your door. When your door opens to a certain point, these guards are positioned to make contact with the adjacent car first, preventing your door's hard edge from dinging their paint. But here's the secret: they only work if you open your door slowly. If you throw your door open with force, you're still going to cause damage. The guards are designed for gentle, controlled door opening. Some luxury brands have taken this further with doors that have soft close mechanisms or even sensors that stop the door from opening if it detects an obstacle. But for the rest of us, just be mindful when opening your door in parking lots. Those little guards will help, but they're not magic. Number 10. Hidden maintenance schedule. Alright, here's the big one, the secret that could save you thousands of dollars. Your car has 2 maintenance schedules: the normal schedule and the severe schedule. And guess what? You're probably supposed to be following the severe schedule, but nobody tells you this. Open your owner's manual and find the maintenance section. You'll see 2 different schedules. The severe schedule requires more frequent oil changes, transmission service, and other maintenance. Now, what qualifies as severe driving? The list includes frequent short trips under 5 miles, stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, dusty conditions, towing, and idling for extended periods. Sound familiar? That's literally most people's daily driving. If you commute in city traffic, you're doing severe driving. But dealerships quote you the normal schedule because it's cheaper and sounds better. Then when your transmission fails at 100,000 miles, guess who pays? You do. Read your owner's manual and follow the severe service schedule if it applies to you. Your car will last longer and you'll avoid those massive repair bills. Outro, and there you have it, 10 hidden car secrets that nobody ever tells you. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and secrets. Share this with someone who needs to know these things. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.